Let's go to that house. No way! I heard they're vampires. Come on, don't be a scaredy cat. Trick or treat! Ah! Ah! Let's get out of here! Dr. Layla, stop scaring the neighborhood kids. They're scared of us already. It's funny. More kids to scare. Ah! Trick or treat!
Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I made these Halloween masks for dolls. It was very easy. I grabbed some dolls' heads from the Monster High dolls, but you don't have to remove the head. I found these at a garage sale. Grab some toilet paper. I used 8 layers. Dip the toilet paper in water, then apply it to the doll's face. Then I molded the tissue around her face. After it was dry, I applied some Mod Podge. It took a while to dry because I used 8 layers. And then after that was dry, I cut out the excess toilet paper from the mask. And then a layer of Mod Podge around it so it won't unravel. After the base color is on, then I add the details. You can look for pictures online for a reference. I googled some clown, pumpkin head, and witch masks. Then I applied a layer of sealant or Mod Podge on the mask, and then some hair. And then for the mask to stay on the doll's head, I glued on some elastic strips. And you're done. Which is your favorite mask? My favorite is the clown. Thanks for watching!
Have a happy Halloween!